Eddie Ghabour is with us. You see a correction coming. I know you do. So you've got to tell everybody, when's it coming and how bad's it going to be?
Good morning, Stuart. So, in regards to how bad it's going to be is really going to be a function of how many rate hikes we get. But if we take a look at it, and maybe this is why I have the nickname Common Sense Bull, and that's what my Twitter handle is, because I don't try to overcomplicate it. The Fed had very loose monetary policy and was reducing rates last year and made risk assets hit all-time highs. What in the world do investors think are going to happen to those same assets when they do the opposite? And so when we take a look at the timing of this, here is our market call short term that we told our clients yesterday. We believe the setup right now is for one last mini reflation trade because we think we're going to hit peak in regards to this new variant, and then we're going to get that reflationary trade. And then in my opinion, that's going to be the last opportunity for investors to start to de-risk and do the things we've been doing for clients and have been talking to folks about. And if they don't, that's going to be right before the you-know-what hits the fan. So if they start de-risking after this last reflationary trade, in my opinion, they will be extremely happy they did that when we look 6 months out.
Okay.
Lastly,
go.
There's no way the market has priced in 4 rate hikes. If the Fed does 4 rate hikes this year, and you have a lot of risk assets, you better put your seatbelt on and maybe even a helmet, because there's no way, in my opinion, the market can handle that much hawkishness after what we just went through.
Okay, why are you starting to buy gold, and how are you buying gold? You're buying bullion, or you're buying gold mining stocks? What is it?
So we just put on this position last week when gold went under 1,800. We bought the ETF for our clients because we believe that gold does its best when we've hit peak inflation. So the inflation numbers were really hot today, and we expected that. We think now we're at peak inflation, and we will actually see inflation stay sticky. It's not going to come down a lot, but we're at the peak in our opinion. That is the time to buy gold, because also gold is a risk-off trade. And I would argue the correction has already started when you look at crypto and some of the small caps. It always hits the higher risk first before it rolls into the broader indexes. In my opinion, it hits the broader indexes here within the first 6 months.
All right, Eddie Ghabour, Common Sense Investing. Good stuff. Eddie, we'll see you again real soon.